Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can scale your head and your body in Catalog Avatar. So I'm just going to wear an outfit first. There's the catalog section here, and just go to the body section and go to scale. Here you can adjust the height of your body, the width of your body here as well, and then the depth of your body. I don't really know what this does. And then you can also adjust the size of your head if you want it super big or super small. You can also adjust your body type here and adjust proportions here as well. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!